Do you find it hard to save money on everyday expenses? You're not alone. The key to saving money is understanding where it's going, and that begins with tracking your spending. It's like a financial detective game where you're both the detective and the suspect. Start by recording every penny you spend. Yes, even that morning coffee or late night snack. You'd be surprised how these little expenses add up. There are numerous budgeting tools available, from mobile apps to good old-fashioned spreadsheets, designed to make this process easier and more efficient. Once you start tracking your spending, you'll gain a clear picture of your financial habits. You might discover that you're spending a lot on takeout, or that your streaming subscriptions are draining your wallet. This awareness is the first step towards identifying potential savings. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it pertains to your finances. Now that you understand where your money is going, it's time to take command. Picture this. You're the captain of your own financial ship, and a budget is your compass. It guides you, helping you navigate towards your financial goals without getting lost in a sea of unnecessary expenses. Creating a budget is simple. Start by dividing your income into different categories: housing, groceries, transportation, and entertainment, to name a few. Allocate a certain amount to each category, prioritizing necessities over wants. This is your financial plan, your strategy for success. But creating a budget is only half the battle. The real challenge is sticking to it. It's easy to be tempted by impulse purchases or splurge on a fancy dinner, but every time you veer off course, you're delaying your journey to financial freedom. Remember, a budget is not a restriction. It's a tool, a roadmap that empowers you to make informed decisions about your money. It's your key to unlocking a future of financial stability and freedom. A budget is not a restriction, but a roadmap to financial freedom. Let's talk about one of the biggest money drains: eating out. Now, don't get me wrong, it's delightful to indulge in a restaurant meal occasionally. However, when it becomes a habit, it can significantly impact your finances. So, what's the alternative? The answer is meal planning and home cooking. Meal planning is a simple yet powerful tool. It allows you to know exactly what you'll be eating each day, eliminating those last-minute takeout orders. By planning your meals for the week, you can make a focused shopping list, helping you avoid impulse buys and waste. Cooking at home also offers a double whammy of benefits. Not only does it save you money, but it can also be a healthier option. You control the ingredients, portion sizes, and cooking methods, making it easier to maintain a balanced diet. Remember, your kitchen is more than just a room. It's a secret weapon in your financial arsenal. Home is where the savings are. Shopping is necessary, but overspending isn't. Now, let's talk strategic shopping. We all love a good deal, right? That's where coupons come into play. These little pieces of paper or digital codes can be a game changer for your budget. They offer discounts on everything from groceries to clothing to electronics. So before you hit the checkout, take a moment to search for coupons. You'll be amazed at how quickly the savings can add up. Now, what about sales? Waiting for a sale can require a bit of patience, but the payoff can be substantial. Retailers often have cyclical sales, meaning certain items will go on sale at specific times of the year. By planning your purchases around these sales, you can save a significant amount of money. Remember, being strategic about when and how you shop can make a big difference to your wallet. Smart shopping equals smart savings. Are you paying for things you don't use or need? This question often uncovers a goldmine of potential savings hidden in plain sight. Unnecessary subscriptions. We're living in the era of subscription services, from streaming platforms to fitness apps, magazines, and more. It's easy to get carried away and subscribe to more than we really need. Here's a little challenge for you. Take a moment to review all your subscriptions. Yes, all of them. You might be surprised to find out that you're still subscribed to that cooking channel you haven't watched in months, or that fitness app you stopped using after the free trial. Eliminating these unnecessary subscriptions can lead to significant savings. It's like giving yourself a mini raise without having to work extra hours. Plus, it simplifies your life by reducing digital clutter. So why not take the plunge? Start cutting those unnecessary subscriptions today. Remember, less clutter, more cash. Your home can be a goldmine of savings opportunities. Now, let's talk about energy efficiency and the power of doing it yourself. You'd be surprised at how much you can save on your monthly utility bills by simply being mindful of your energy consumption. Start with the basics. Turn off lights when you leave a room, unplug electronics when they're not in use, and if you can, consider investing in energy-efficient appliances. But the savings don't stop there. Instead of paying for services like house cleaning, car washing, or lawn care, roll up your sleeves and do these tasks yourself. Not only will your wallet thank you, but you'll also gain a sense of accomplishment. And don't forget about shopping secondhand. Before buying something brand new, check out thrift stores, online marketplaces, or garage sales. You can often find quality items at a fraction of the cost. Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned. These are just a few ways to save money on everyday expenses. By keeping track of your spending, creating a budget, and being mindful of your consumption, you can start to see significant changes in your financial health. Remember, it's not just about cutting back. It's about making smart choices like cooking at home, shopping strategically, and considering second-hand options before buying brand new. And let's not forget the power of doing it yourself. Whether it's washing your car or mowing your lawn, a bit of elbow grease can go a long way in padding your wallet. These small practical steps, when implemented consistently, can lead to big savings over time. Every penny saved is a penny earned, and each one brings you closer to your financial goals. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial advice. Together, we can build a brighter financial future.